How to fix Facebook birthday notifications not showing up. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your Facebook birthday notifications is not showing, or if you want them to pop up but it's not popping up at all. Well, you'll have to enable it. To do so, first you want to go ahead and open up Facebook and head into settings. So simply open up Facebook, head into hamburger icon at the top right, and then head into settings again. Once in the settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and head into the option that says notifications. Now it'll be under the preferences section, so you want to scroll down to preferences. There you want to see the notification option. You want to tap on it. Once here, you can see what notifications you receive, and under it you'll find the option that says birthdays. So you want to tap on it, and you can see allow notifications on Facebook. Now in my case, I've turned off the Facebook notifications, so it'll only show up when I open the app. But this is how you can enable it. Once you enable it, and if your Facebook notification is on, then you'll get the notification for birthdays as well. So this is how you can enable Facebook birthday notification. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.